Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can dropship with Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm not very well versed in the apps that you can add to Weebly to possibly enable you to dropship a bit better. I do know there is Printful, which is a print-on-demand service, which is sort of related to dropshipping pretty much, but if you want to dropship from anywhere else, you're just going to have to manually enter all the items and manually fulfill the orders through, well, your own hands. You're just going to go ahead and go to the website you found the items off of and place an order in the name of your customer. And yeah, what you are gonna do first is you're gonna go into settings, go into checkout, and here you're just gonna have to set up your checkout payment methods. In my case, I can only set up Stripe. However, my country does not support Stripe at the moment, so I can't really do it. PayPal does require an upgraded plan, so that is a good option if you have a paid plan, which I do recommend if you're planning on selling through Weebly. You can also set up your sales taxes. You also have tracking tools, and you can also set up units as well. And other than that, of course, you're going to need to add your items. So we're going to go over into items, click on site items. You can set up categories or individual items for categories. You can create a category and then fill it up with items afterward, or you can create items first and then place them into categories. The process is completely dependent on your wishes. However, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new item. So for example, let's say we found a shirt off of Alibaba or something as an example. So just enter the item title. You just want to pretty much copy paste the title from Alibaba. I'll just name it shirt. The price is going to be, I don't know, $10. You can add a description, which it should also be pretty much copy pasted from Alibaba. Set it to visible, and then you can set up your fulfillment. Usually if you're drop shipping, then you want to select shipping. Shipping weight should be, again, copied from Alibaba or the site where you found your item. And as you can see, you can set it up to be non-taxable. However, I'm not completely sure on how what this means and why you would set it up to be non-taxable. Not sure what the benefits are and what you would need to do other than setting it up as non-taxable. Of course, as I mentioned, shipping weight should be the same as in Alibaba. Additional information, you can add a SKU yourself and also manage the cost, which is $10 in this case. And then, yeah, you can set up other options such as search engine optimization. You can add modifiers and you can add options and pricing. However, once you're done, you should also add the pictures from Alibaba or whichever site you've found the item on. And once you're done with that, just click save. And then pretty much whenever somebody orders this shirt off of your store, then you're going to have to manually fulfill their order, just order on their behalf from the original site you found it on. You can, of course, go and edit your site to create a sales page. So let me just go here really quickly and show you how that could be done. So, for example, let's go to pages. I'll add a new page called, I don't know, standard page called products, name it like that, click done, and then you can go to your build section, access your elements, and then search for products. And I'm not sure why they're not found here. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure because my site is set up, or no, there we go. Just drag the products element here. So let me just add a section. For some reason, my products don't want to be added. There we go. Add the products. Select the products you've added, click select products, select the layout, click done, and that's pretty much it. When somebody orders, just place that order in their behalf, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.